Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Last week, I shared a full tutorial on how to make Hong Kong style XO sauce. Today, I'm going to use that to make a quick, easy, delicious shrimp stir-fry noodles. So let's get started. You will need some shrimp. Simply season it with 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and some olive oil. Mix it well and set it aside. Any type of noodles will work, such as mung bean noodles, rice noodles, wheat noodles, even instant noodles will work. Today I'm going to use these egg noodles as example. We need to pre-cook them until they are halfway done. Put them in boiling water and let it cook for a few minutes. Give it a try to check the doneness. Don't cook them all the way done. You want them to be a bit firm because we will stir fry it later. Drain them and add some vegetable oil to prevent the noodles from sticking together. It is better to cook the noodles right before the stir frying. Even though we add oil, they will still stick together if sitting too long. Heat up your wok, add in the shrimps. We seasoned them with oil before, so I'm not adding any oil now. Cook them on both sides until they just turn pink. It will only take a minute or two. Take them out and set it aside. Add more oil to the wok. I used about 2 tablespoons. I got here some bean sprouts, carrot shreds, and a little bit of grated garlic. Dump them all in along with the noodles. Quickly toss them so the oil coats everything. In this way, the noodles won't stick to the wok. Keep cooking them on medium heat for a few minutes until you think the vegetables are done. Add a bunch of spring onion, a bunch of cilantro, the shrimp that we cooked before, and the seasoning. This is just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce mixed with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir them to mix the seasoning. The spatula I was using is quite sharp. It cuts the noodles, which makes them look bad when plating, so I switched to a pair of chopsticks to stir the noodles. Oh, I almost forgot the star of this recipe, the XO sauce. We will add 1.5 tablespoons of that. The sauce is homemade, and I will put the recipe link in the description so you can check it out. Just mix everything until well combined. You do want to give it a taste before serving to adjust the saltiness. Mine was perfect. I like to top a little more XO sauce. It smells so good. I can't wait to give it a try. This flavor, I'm so into it. It is the old, authentic Cantonese flavor. It is because the XO sauce. Each piece of noodle is wrapped by that strong umami combination. Goes so well with the shrimp. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, the recipe will be in the description box down below the video. You can go check that out. Don't forget to take a look at my channel. I'm sure you will find out how to make your favorite Chinese food. New videos come out every Monday and Wednesday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!